Number 1. 1996 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,500, with a reliable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has 209,000 original miles and comes with a clean title. Finished in a classic white exterior with a gray interior, it presents a straight and solid body that has been well cared for over the years. The truck runs and drives perfectly with no known mechanical issues. The air conditioning blows cold, and all major features are functioning properly. It is equipped with power windows and power locks for added convenience. The extended cab configuration provides additional interior space, making it practical for both work and everyday use. The vehicle also features newer style rims and tires that enhance its appearance and road performance. Overall, this GMC Sierra 1500 is described as a dependable, capable, and well-kept 4x4 truck that is ready for its next owner. Number 2. 1991 Dodge D250, price $9,950. It has been driven approximately 208,000 miles. It is powered by a legendary 5.9L 12-valve turbo diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. Finished in white with a red interior and backed by a clean title, the truck has received numerous upgrades, including brand new KG1 forged wheels wrapped in new Toyota tires, while the original factory wheels are also included. The truck starts easily, runs strong, and drives exceptionally well. Its classic square body styling, mechanical diesel simplicity, strong aftermarket support, and increasingly hard to find first-generation status. The truck is in solid running condition, although the VE injection pump can be a little temperamental during cold starts before settling into a smooth idle. It also requires a few minor repairs, including attention to the brakes and several dashboard lights. Number 3. 1988 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,950, showing approximately 12,000 miles. It features a black exterior, a burgundy interior, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered drivetrain. Under the hood, the truck is equipped with a 5.3 LLS engine paired with headers, a Summit 600 lift camshaft, a 4L60 automatic transmission, and a 2,500 stall-torque converter, delivering impressive power, strong acceleration, and an enjoyable driving experience. The vehicle has been carefully maintained and upgraded to enhance both performance and reliability. In addition to its engine modifications, this Chevrolet 1500 benefits from several recent improvements, including an aluminum radiator, a new alternator, a new battery, almost new tires, and a fully refreshed braking system with new brakes and a new brake booster. These upgrades contribute to dependable operation and increased driving confidence. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, making it an excellent choice for enthusiasts seeking a classic Chevrolet pickup. Number 4. 1996 GMC 3500, price $8,999, with approximately 120,300 original miles, an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior, a gray interior, and a gasoline-powered Vortex 7.4L big block engine. The truck is equipped with a heavy-duty 4L80E transmission, and both the engine and transmission were recently rebuilt from top to bottom, resulting in significantly lower mileage on these components than the odometer reading. It has been thoroughly inspected by a master mechanic with over 30 years of experience using a professional-grade scanner, with no dashboard warning lights or mechanical issues reported. The truck features quality tires mounted on custom wheels, a solid frame in excellent condition, and a professionally restored body that was sandblasted before receiving a high-end metallic flake paint finish. The heating system works properly, and a plow mounting bracket is already installed. Number 5. 1992 Chevrolet 1500, price $10,500, is a reliable and well-maintained pickup with 133,000 miles, a 5.7L V8 TBI gasoline engine, automatic transmission, and seating for up to 6 passengers. Finished in white with a clean gray interior, it remains in original OEM condition with no modifications. The truck starts and runs smoothly, has no fluid leaks or engine codes, consistently passes emissions testing, and retains its OEM floor mats, manual, jack, and spare tire. The truck is equipped with a bedliner, trailer brake controller, multiple trailer wiring connections, retractable bed tie-downs, and other practical accessories. Age-related imperfections include minor dents, light scratches, limited rust in a few areas, a deteriorating headliner, worn rear window seals, and a non-functioning factory radio and clock. It comes with a clean title, a recent oil change, and several useful extras. Number 6. 1997 Toyota Tacoma, price $6,444. It has 182,000 miles and is equipped with a smooth automatic transmission. Finished in white with a gray interior, it is powered by a reliable gasoline engine. The truck features a long bed and comes with a camper shell, making it a practical choice for work, hauling equipment, or everyday use. Its compact size makes it easy to maneuver and park, while the simple, easy-to-maintain interior offers straightforward functionality and comfort. The interior shows normal wear consistent with its age and mileage, and the exterior has some cosmetic imperfections expected for a vehicle of this vintage. Despite these signs of use, the truck presents well overall and runs and drives nicely. Number 7. 1985 Dodge D150, price $6,000, powered by a dependable 318 V8 engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. Showing approximately 150,000 miles, the truck features a striking blue exterior complemented by a red interior and runs on gasoline. It has benefited from numerous upgrades over the years, including van lower control arms, all-new steering components, and a rear axle flip kit, giving it a lowered stance while still maintaining comfortable road manners. The truck has also been upgraded to a stronger 9¼ rear axle equipped with 3.55 gears and a limited slip differential. In addition to its mechanical improvements, the truck has been fitted with an HEI distributor, replacing the factory Dodge ignition system for increased reliability and easier maintenance. The vehicle was repainted in 2004, and the finish has held up remarkably well over the years. While it is not a perfect show-quality example, it remains a solid and honest classic that drives nicely, performs well, and offers an enjoyable vintage truck experience for its next owner. Number 8. 2000 Toyota Tundra, price $5,000, powered by a dependable 4.7L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and has traveled approximately 265,000 miles. Finished in red with a tan leather interior, it features fully functional 4WD high and 4WD low modes, a limited slip rear differential, rear sumo springs for improved towing capability, a trailer brake controller, an upgraded Bluetooth head unit, and aftermarket black wheels. The vehicle spent its early years in the Pacific Northwest and Montana, resulting in some body rust, although the frame remains solid. The timing belt was replaced previously, and the truck currently requires no mechanical repairs. Cosmetic imperfections include a cracked windshield, peeling clear coat, and a tailgate handle that is slightly loose but still functions properly. These are common issues for this generation of Tundra. Number 9. 1987 Dodge D100, price $5,900, powered by a reliable 5.2L, 318, gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With only 54,000 miles on the odometer, it features a black exterior and a burgundy interior that give the truck a classic and distinctive appearance. The vehicle has been upgraded with a new air conditioning system and a new radiator, helping to ensure a comfortable driving experience and dependable cooling performance. The truck is equipped with a 6.5-foot bed, making it practical for both work and everyday use. While there is some rust on the driver's side and passenger side bed panels, it runs great and remains mechanically sound. Additional features include a functioning radio and power steering. Overall, this Dodge D100 is a solid classic pickup that combines vintage character, reliability, and utility. Number 10. 1997 Dodge Ram 1500, price $3,100, is a reliable 4x4 pickup truck that runs and drives great. It has 231,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. Finished in red with a gray interior, the truck offers seating for up to 6 passengers. The rear seat can also be converted into a bed, adding extra versatility and comfort. It features fuel wheels, a Flowmaster muffler, and a small suspension lift that enhances its appearance and capability. The only item currently missing is the radio head unit. Overall, this truck has been well maintained and remains a solid, dependable vehicle for both daily driving and outdoor adventures.